Hey everyone, my name is Ben and welcome to my channel PressTube. Now I'm going to show you something really cool in case you run out of toilet paper. All you need is a very sharp knife, like this. I made this myself, but a regular knife will also do the trick. If you want to watch the video where I made this knife, just click this pop-up. Now the next thing you need is a roll of kitchen paper, and all you have to do, guys, is cut this kitchen paper into like this. Here we go. And there you go, guys, you have just made 2 rolls of toilet paper. Now, where is the beginning? Here you go. Now, in case you run out of kitchen paper too, guys, you can always take a shower after you visited the toilet. Now, that being said, let's start the video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, guys.